Mrs. Magdad and I recently took a ride to the Quakertown Farmers Market. The Q-Mart, located in Quakertown, PA, has been around since the 30s. The indoor flea market is something everyone should experience at least once. Mrs. Magdad and I were there on a Saturday morning for the outdoor flea market. There were several vendors with rusty old tools, and their prices were very reasonable. I could have brought home a bunch of stuff, but I'm trying to be selective. I found 5 tools for $5. I think at least a couple are pretty interesting. Let me show you what I got. If I see a perfect handle screwdriver for $1, it's coming home with me. It's as simple as that. This doesn't seem to have any maker's marks. Might be one of those ones made in Germany. Tip's in really good condition, but this butt section is severely mushroomed over. A guy standing next to me at the Q-Mart, he said that that's an indication that this is good quality steel because it survived someone using it like a chisel. I'm thinking maybe it wasn't used as a chisel. I'm thinking maybe somebody had a hold of it like this and was beating on something. And that's how this got mushroomed over without this tip getting damaged. At least that's my theory. This one's marked Irwin, US of A. I really dig that US of A marking. It's also marked here under where the scales would be, IAB Co. That's Irwin, Auger, and Bit Company. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Magdad, you got enough screw-holding screwdrivers. But look, it was only $1. It's a Craftsman screw holding. And see that circle with the eye in it? So this one was made by Parker Manufacturing out of Worcester, Massachusetts. They patented this mechanism in 1942, and they called it the Falcon Grip. This is a diamond caulk and horseshoe, number A230, 6-inch adjustable wrench. Caulks are studs that attach to horseshoes to improve traction in slippery conditions. You see how it says Duluth, Minn, USA? According to Alloy Artifacts, this dates the wrench to the 1920s. Later wrenches had made in USA somewhere separate from the Duluth Minn. So that makes this thing like 100 years old. Jaws close up nice. It's a little tight. The jaws look like they're in really good shape too. I bet that would clean up nice. I picked up these Lineman Pliers because the cutter looked like it was still in good shape. And check out the markings. See in the center there? Occupy Japan. So Japan was occupied from September 1945 until 1952. Now around the outside here, it says Stern Morgenthau Company Incorporated. Now all I could find out about that company is that they were located at 510 Avenue of the Americas, New York City. It seems like they specialized in bringing foreign goods to the U.S. Now, I found very few examples of tools marked Occupy Japan online. And that's why I'm calling them rare. If you have a pair of pliers, or really any tool that's marked Occupy Japan, I'd like to know about it. Let me know in the comments. So what was your favorite $1 item? Let me know in the comments. Hey, if you're ever in the area, make sure you stop at the Q Mart. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Now, I don't know if I'm showing y'all my collection of screw-holding screwdrivers because I'm proud of it, or if this is some kind of deranged man's desperate cry for help. If you see a white tag hanging off, those are ones people sent to me. That way I can keep track of who sent me what. So the board got filled up. So I have them hanging in bags. I think I need a bigger board.